Petrogas and Brook?
Wow. Alam mo, after how many conferences, I would say ito yung well-adjusted si Brook pagdating sa sistema and disiplina ng Petrogas. May kita natin in sync and is fitted to the system already of Petrogas. That's why their movement is so fluid and so smooth as of this conferences as up until the last game na inarap nila. So, sabi nga natin, iba-iba yung mga story ng mga nangyayari every final. So, siguro more than, andun na din yung kaba, andun yung excitement. But, I think a different challenge, facing a different challenge right now is something that we take and we accept it. Kasi, after a very long time being in the finals, syempre, magbanda rin yung iba-iba yung challenges na nabibigay. Behind the scenes and syempre dito sa on the court. So, very, very excited and Brook, welcome. This is her first finals year, so Brook, yes, welcome to the PBL final.
Like, from a personal standpoint, na-internalize mo na ba na back ka na at level na yung gusto mong level sa laro mo after a while na injured ka?
Honestly, I feel like my body says kaya ko, but syempre mentally, it's been really tough to be and that on the other side of the court, struggling with injuries. So, iba rin talaga, and hands down to all the athletes who have been very, very hardworking to get back on court. So, honestly, I would say I want to be mentally and physically back 100% and really in a work in progress.
So, you would say na nandun ka na sa gusto mo? Still getting there?
Well, I would say malayo na pero malayo pa.
Eliza, ilang iterations na ng Petrogas yung natandaan? Mo talaga yung...
Grabe ka naman! Parang natanda ko.
Pero aside from the intervention si Brook at si Miley, ano lang siguro yung nakikita mong difference dito sa Petrogas ngayon na kailangan talaga watch out?
Honestly, I remember the time when we faced them back in Ares during that finals reinforced conference. Both of their wing spikers, Johnson and Salas, if I'm not mistaken, they were very tough. And this conference, I think, kompletong-kompleto yung Petrogas. Hindi lang sa wings, but also sa Betty is there, MJ Phillips, kompleto sila as a team. And ang dami rin nilang, ang lalim din ng bench nila. That's why, and healthy din sila. So pag nakita natin back in the finals, I think one of the things na magiging edge ng bawat isa sa amin, since we're all veteran teams, would be kung sino mas healthy sa aming dalawa and would last long and mas fit all throughout the games.
Ano significance ng rivalry ng Creamline and Petrogas sa PBL na?
Well, it's a testament. It's a testament that PBL has been here for the longest time and producing great teams. And it doesn't matter if you're a new team or a veteran team in the PBL. Kung sinong may gusto, may puso, lalaban ka, dadating tayo sa junior finals. So yeah, it's a testament that PBL has been doing a good job molding and making these players be at their top shape up until now. Thank you so much.